Oh, it wasn't even recording. I thought it was recording. I was going to redo it. So I guess I'm going to start all over again. Well, hello, friends and fans of Rock and Roll Love Palace. I hope you're doing well. It is cold, wet, and rainy here in Texas where I'm at. And I'm down by the Gulf Coast, in case anybody was wondering. So anyway, let's just see where this is going to go. I do not know. I did a little bit of it last night for a good friend of mine named Mary, and I gave it to her on Instagram with just a minute long, if even that. And let's see if we can expand on it and see how it flows. Really, that's the whole tune. And it just, like all music does, it repeats itself. But anyway, I thought I'd do something nice tonight. I haven't really done anything last week and a half, 2 weeks, because of my hand, all dinged up, beat up, and not worth a flip. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, I didn't say in this video because this is like the third one I've done, or retake. I played a little bit of it last night, like a minute, and I sent it to Mary on Instagram. But she always says she loves it. I mean, it's mostly crap that I play. She just loves it. I don't know. Maybe she took a lot of LSD at one time. Who knows? But No, actually, she's a very sweet lady, and I'm very glad to know her. But anyway, kids, I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. And never been here, you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, but you do not have to turn on notifications. And because every subscription does help, but after 10 years of this channel and it's what 175 people, it's never going to be very big. And not that I really want it to be honest. I just do this for a kick, something to do. Anyway, y'all try to have a good evening. I may make another video, but more of a rock video, which is what I really like doing. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.